Ever struggled to say confused and confusing in Spanish? That's what we'll explore in this short video. Welcome to How to Say in Spanish, where we take common English expressions which can cause difficulty and even confusion, pun very much intended, when we try to say them in Spanish. I'm Rob, and Liz will help us out with her beautiful Colombian Spanish. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more of these videos and let us know in the comments, what expressions would you like us to explain for you? So, are you confused by confusing? Let's clear that up for you. Now, here's the secret. There are two key words for you. CONFUSO, which is the adjective, and CONFUNDIR, which is the noun. Now, when we say something is confusing, we're describing something. Confusing here is an adjective. However, when we say something confuses me or I'm confused, we're using confuse as a verb. So it's the same difference between being bored or being boring. One's an adjective, the other's a verb. If you say you're bored, that's very different from saying you're boring. The adjective in Spanish is confuso or confusa, and we always combine this with the verb ser to say that something is confusing. So, it is confusing is
Es confuso.
The film is confusing is
La película es confusa.
Now, to use the verb meaning of confuse, we use confundir. We can say that something confuses us. This is using the verb. For example,
Estas opiniones contradictorias me confunden mucho.
these different opinions confuse me a lot.
La película me confundió mucho.
The film confused me a lot. If we use confuso, the adjective, then we're talking about the quality of that thing as being confusing rather than an action. However, with the verb confundir, we're talking about something confusing someone, so it's an action with a subject and an object. We can also say, I am confused. That's still confused as a verb, but we're not actually saying what it is that's confusing me.
Estoy confundido. Estoy confundida. Estamos confundidos.
So to clarify that a little further, let's take two sentences.
Estoy muy confundido. La tarea es muy confusa.
In the first sentence, we're focusing on our own feelings of confusion and puzzlement, but we're not saying what it is that's confusing us. In the second, we're focusing on the quality being confusing. The homework itself is confusing. So we'll leave you with a little exercise. See if you can figure out the best way to say the following in Spanish. Remember, there are several ways that you can say these. Comment your answers below and we'll see you in the next video.